about that. I was climbing up in here and hit the off button on my phone. The AC is cold in the truck. There are no lights on. The only reason the brake light's on is obviously the parking brake is set. Truck is an Allison automatic, and the AC is nice and cold. Got a nice little rack here for your laptop and things. Interior's nice and clean. You know, just take a look at the video and let us know if you have any questions. Climb down here, hopefully not cut the phone off again. Front tires are in very good shape. Chris is going to drive off in the truck now, park it back in our yard. I'll show you that the truck actually does run and drive. Take a look at the video and let us know if you have any questions. My name is Scott with North Texas Equipment. My number is 972-765-7819, or you can reach Chris at 817-889-1035.